We have a new addition to the recovery program, and that is the RecoveryAir compression boots from Therabody. What are these things? How do they work? And are they right for you? Well, stick around to the end of the video and hopefully we can clarify some of these questions. So what a lot of people don't realize is that you actually have a second heart in your body, believe it or not. It's called your peripheral heart, and it is lying deep into your calf. And together, the calf muscles and a deep vein system form a complex array of valves and pumps. And this is referred to as the peripheral heart. Now, the function for the peripheral heart is to push blood upward from the feet against gravity. So if you think of a blood pressure cuff, squeeze in, letting go, squeeze in, letting go, it's the same thing that's going on systematically in the bottom of your calf. It's allowing the body to circulate more oxygen and more blood flow to those areas. That way you can recover quicker, build more muscle, and just feel better about yourself. This is the air compressor for the RecoveryAir, and you can see that it has some pretty cool features. It has an adjustable pressure range from 20 all the way up to 100. It also has a massage duration of 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and 60 minutes. So you could use this for however long you really wanted to. It also has 360 minutes of battery life. So this is good if you're taking this on the go, whether it's to the gym, to your sport, wherever it is, you're allowed to have this without plugging it in for 360 minutes. So that's a pretty good deal. If you're a guy, make sure to get the goods out the way because these things do ride up pretty tight. And so you can see that whenever they start, the whole process starts from the feet, all the way up from the calves, all the way up from the thighs, and then you'll feel it release all the way down. And they say you can do actually 15 cycles in 15 minutes. And that's the sound of all the air flushing out. And we're going to start a new cycle right now. So I'm going to sit in these for 30 minutes and then I'll let you know how I feel when it's all said and done. In my opinion, the RecoveryAir is a great addition to your recovery program. It definitely reduces muscle soreness and fatigue, and it allows more blood flow down to the areas that maybe you weren't going to get from anywhere else. And I feel that anything that you can do that's going to help you while you're sitting on your butt is a win for me. And if you're looking for more mobility or you're looking for more ways to recover, I got a whole 7-day series of Pilates, nipples to knees, and I got a couple yoga videos you can check out on the channel. And I'll see you on the next video.